Up next is the tip of the week. This is a feature where we show you a trick or two on how to use some certain feature on your phone or some other feature in a given app. And now for this week's episode, here's your tip of the week. Let's now close this episode though with a tip of the week, and this week it's all about that Aggregator News Reader mode. Hi, Warren here for Blind Android Users Podcast, and for episode 222 tip of the week, this is demonstrating Reader mode found in Aggregator News. Back in episode 209 app of the week, I demonstrated the Aggregator News RSS Reader, and somehow there's a hidden feature in there, and that's the reader mode that's not easily visible. And so today I'm giving a tip of the week on how to go about enabling that reader mode found in the app. I do have the app opened, and now I'll tap on that menu found on the top right corner and show you how you can go about enabling that.
Button, Show menu. Detected icon, Settings.
And that's the settings there, and we'll tap.
Pop-up menu. Dismiss menu.
Now the next thing we want to do, that's step 2, is to find an icon that says Settings.
Settings button.
And we'll go ahead and tap.
Settings. Back button.
Now that we have tapped on the settings, what we need next is the News tab, which is the second tab from the bottom left. I'll now move toward the bottom and tap on the second tab, and that will be the News tab.
News. Tab 2 of 4.
And I'll tap.
News. Tab 2 of 4. Selected.
We're now in the News tab, and the next thing we're going to tap on is
Open News. Mode. Show Options button.
We heard Open News mode, and by default it's set to Options. This is a reason why when you open an article, whether you're in the news mode or in your technology or whatever category that you are, you're not going to find a way to have the article displaying in the app. Instead, you have to either open it with a browser and things of that nature. However, here we can make that change to where you could actually see the article open up in the app. I'll now tap here.
Pop-up menu. Show Options button.
So by default, we hear Show Options. Moving down,
External Browser button.
there's an external browser if you prefer your articles to be opened by an external browser of your choice. Next.
Internal Browser button.
Next.
Browser tab button.
Next.
Read Mode button.
And Read Mode. That's what we want. Once we tap here,
Open News. Mode. Read Mode button. Settings.
that now becomes our default. Now I'm going to go back.
Aggregator. Heading.
Now I'm going to find some article here at random and open it.
Digitaltrends.com. Today 1336. The Platine wireless stereo system with Dolby Atmos is 15% off from Amazon button.
And I'll just tap.
Digitaltrends.com. Back button.
And now we have the article. If I put my finger down.
If Bluetooth speaker deals and soundbar deals aren't enough for you to get your premium audio fix, it might be time to invest in something more powerful.
I just tapped to stop the reading. And that's how you go about enabling the reader mode found within the Aggregator News RSS News Reader. Thanks for listening.